is how you make a sandwich. First, you get some meat, peppered ham. You just gotta put that on there. Just spread it out. Just put some ham on. Then you get your lettuce. No, cheese first. Moron. You put the lettuce on top of the cheese, and you just gotta spread that out there. Then gotta make sure it's all on there. And then you gotta put them together, and then you gotta add a bit more to it. So we add a bit of this. Then I gotta open it with one hand. There we go. You gotta get the stuff, sprinkle it on. I got chocolate on my hands. Give me a second. Once you know how long you have chocolate on your hands from not using a spoon, put that down. Then you grab this. You open it up with one hand, which I can't do. Once you've opened it up, and you get your knife, and you scoop it out, and you plop it on there, plop it on the way you put peanut butter on. Yeah, you spread it around. Yeah. Then you're not done. You gotta add some chocolate sauce. You gotta add chocolate sauce. You gotta shake that a good shake. Makes weird noise. You gotta squirt that out onto the sandwich. You gotta close it. Close it. Jeez. Just don't close it like that. Then you've got your sandwich all done. Then you eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm eating it. That is how you make a sandwich.